Hello, you stinky baby. That's weird energy to start the video with. I'm sorry. Do you want to go thrifting? Okay, let's go. Definitely thought this said bring your own sushi. Is this baby okay? If it isn't obvious to you already, we are starting in the home goods. Is that toast? Or little coasters? Don't mind if I do. The real question is, what would you put in your egg? Egg. So recently I've been having a lot of fun collecting like crafting materials from the thrift store, whether it's an old book that I can use for collaging or like actual art supplies. It's just so fun, you never know what you're gonna get, and I find that increases creativity. It's a scientific fact. So let's see what kind of books we can find. Here's what I think they are. Oh my gosh. Oh. This camera literally takes a floppy disk. There's two of them. We've escaped from the home goods cave. Let's talk about this. Magic woman, tell me more. Can I tell you something? Let me be honest. I'm getting a wee bit skunked. And you know why? I'll tell you why. It's because probably 80% of the stuff in this huge thrift store is brand new. What's up with that? So I'm having a bit of a difficult time finding anything one of a kind. I have high hopes for the shoes and the dresses. Let's cross these little fingies and hope that we find some good stuff. Oh, okay. Last ditch effort. We have this whole row of dresses. Very last dress on this huge rack. I really like this cut, how it has the little micro pleat here. Sweet little collar. Let's try it. Do I need this shapeless Kathleen colored linen two-piece set? Somebody hold me back. So far, nothing life-changing. Intestine core. Where's the vintage? Where's the good stuff? Somehow I managed to fill my cart, even though I said I was getting skunked. So let's go look through it all. I'm gonna go find a corner to scurry into and show you my finds. I don't know why I grabbed this. No. It's cute. I don't think I'd actually wear it all that much. No. Haunted doll nightie. You may be surprised, but this is a no. Found this super cute. I think it's a pajama set from Nasty Gal. That's a yeah. That's adorable. This dress is the very first one I saw. It's cute, but I don't think I need it. I haven't decided if I'm gonna get this yet. I love that it's like a contrast stitch. It's a fun little boxy fit, a cool color. I should probably get it. So it's just a big, oversized, kind of stretchy yellow shirt dress. I'm not gonna get this one, but I am gonna get another yellow one that I'll show you at home. And finally, I picked up this scarf. Love a checkerboard. We know this. And it looks like it almost has like little strawberries or something on it. I just don't think I'll ever use it. I'm not much of a scarf gal, and I already have kind of a black and white checkerboardy scarf. Pass on this. And that's it. Let's go home. Hi, it's the next day, and I'm at another thrift store. I just had a good feeling, and I didn't feel like I found very much cool stuff yesterday, so let's see what we can do. First thing I found, do y'all like these fisherman sandals? I know they're like kind of a fringe trend. I don't personally think I like it, but I might try it. I don't know if the music is too loud. It's kind of bumping in here. Are these amazing or what? Kind of look too big. Yeah, maybe a bit. Let's try them on. This reminds me of like the peasant costume in Animal Crossing. Oh, should I get this? No, I need to get out of here. I'm back. I went to copious thrift stores because I felt like the thrift gods just weren't really smiling upon me this week, although I still ended up coming home with some things, including Air Force Ones that I got for $6. I say that as if I'm some sneakerhead who really cares about sneakers. I don't know much about them, but I do know that I've never seen them at the thrift store before, and just like a dad mowing the lawn, I know the power of a good white sneaker. So we're gonna touch them up a little bit, see if we can get them ready to be worn, swap out the laces, that kind of thing. And I also found a few pieces of clothing that need a little bit of help. They're kind of hidden gems that I'm gonna polish up a bit. So we're gonna be doing some embroidering, fixing some buttons, all those good things. But first, let's tackle these bad boys. Are you okay? We got my shoes stuffed, so let's go buy some new shoelaces. And you know who has shoelaces? Mr. Dollar General, sir. While we wait for my shoes to dry, let's talk about the next piece that we're going to be spiffying up. Super cute little yellow dress. I'm kind of realizing now that maybe it's a choir robe, maybe it's a house coat. The only problem is it is missing a button in a central area, the belly button area. Simple fix, we're going to take a button from the bottom, bring it to the middle. Bada bing bong, let's do it. I feel like a straight up sky dancer in this outfit. So much swoosh, so much. The yellow dress is a great summer statement piece all on its own, but then I editorialized it a little bit with these big old chunky light wash jeans and dun da da da, the Air Force Ones. So cute. Speaking of the Air Force Ones, they turned out great. I'm lucky that they were in such great shape to begin with, I think, and adding the new laces was really the cherry on top. They're really good as new. Okay, before we move on to our last spiffy up project, which is this gorgeous Uniqlo dress behind me. I forgot to mention that when I went to go get shoelaces, I also stopped by the Korean market next door and got some treats. Let me review them for you really quickly. Hi Chew, obviously delicious, but have you ever had the soda pop version? Gotta say, cola flavor, delicious. Turtle chips in the sweet bean flavor. I opened this bag like an animal. She's cute, delicious. And finally, this is the wild card. Mint mixed with milk. I'm ready to be disgusted. Smells like grandma. It's kind of like the butterscotch Dum Dum. That's where like the milky butteriness is coming from. It also kind of tastes like a fluoride treatment at the dentist. Let's work on this dress. We've got this beautiful like seersuckery Uniqlo dress collab with Hana Tajima, I think her name was. So pretty, and it has really nice ruching in the back to give it some shape. But as you can see, it's got a little spot there. I think it has one near the bottom. So I thought it would be I thought it would be so cute to either embroider or do a little felting over these little spots. Maybe like a little ladybug, a flower, I don't know, something cute. Maybe I'll ask Instagram what I should do. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, do that here. Okay, I asked on Instagram. Looks like flowers it is. Looking cute. So I've got the big stains covered up with some flowies. And now I just need to even it out a little bit so these look a little less random, although there's nothing wrong with a little random flower. So I'm thinking maybe one up here, maybe one right on the neckline. So cute. I think this white Hana Tajima dress is just so fun and stunning all on its own. The texture is amazing. And then with the addition of the little flower patch spreading across it, it's just the perfect pop of fun. I think I'll add even more flowers throughout and maybe a caterpillar or two. Who's to say? Did you just hear my knees pop? No, you didn't. I think it's official. Dresses are my favorite thing to wear, especially a dress that has been customized or tailored or fixed by your own little paws. It's very satisfying. I highly recommend it. Let me know down in the comments if there was a find that I found this week that was especially exciting to you. If you like this video and you'd like to stay updated for when I post in the future, aka every week on Sundays, then please feel free to subscribe if you'd like. We are closing in fast on 1,000. I'm gonna do something cool for 1,000. I'm not sure quite what it is yet though. And isn't that the perfect mystery, the perfect hook to convince you to subscribe? You can also keep up with me during the week on Instagram and TikTok at kathleenillustrated. And with that, me and my little tulip earrings will see you next week. I love you. Goodbye.